Hello students, I am Priyanka from Sandpoint Academy, Belgaum. So today I am here to discuss about the last year paper and few of the questions which the students ask me frequently over phone. Okay, so first of all, whenever we are preparing any competitive exam, you need to analyze the previous year's papers because that will give you the trend of the question paper. Again I am telling you, the same thing will not be repeated, but at least you will get some idea on how the question paper can be, instead of studying the syllabus blindly. So for your PWD, this syllabus, you are having only one question paper as the reference, that is of PWD 2019. So when you analyze that, when the students see the syllabus, so they call and ask me, ma'am, only 3 subjects are there, only 4 subjects are there. And in the previous video only I had make a clarity for you that in one heading you can find 2 or 3 subjects in that only. So don't get misguided. See each and every word you will analyze properly. So today I was going through previous year paper only. I found one thing, one question paper. It was on the unit weight of freshly mixed wet concrete. That is, you need to find the concrete volume or mix of the concrete. So if you analyze, this will be of the topic of the subject estimation. But still they had asked this. And if you analyze, then you can say that okay, this can be in the subject construction technology and management, because bridge and all ivella illa. So when you see the topics of the construction management, you will not find this kind of topic in the syllabus. The reason why I am asking you clearly is, see, ನೀವೇನು ಅನ್ಬೋದು, in 100 questions only one question in ಬಂದಿದ್ರು ಬಂದಿರಬಹುದು. But the thing is, when students ask me, ma'am, whether they will stick to the syllabus only or whether they will ask something out of the syllabus and what we teach, like whether we are sticking to this syllabus or something like that. So what we are doing is, whatever this syllabus they have given, we are following this syllabus only, new PWD syllabus. But when you see the previous year question paper, they had asked one question on the mix, that is concrete mix volume calculation. Okay, in fact it is little lengthy numerical also. So the reason why I am discussing more about this question is, when they have asked one question from estimation, that too on concrete mix, next they can ask question on the bricks also. That is, how many number of bricks are needed for this much meter cube of the brick masonry, something design, what is the volume of the wet mix, what is the volume of the dry mix, what is the quantity of the water needed, the questions can be asked. So when I saw this, in our package we have uploaded even estimation subject also. So now ball is in your court, how much you want to study. Because the thing is, some of the students who have already purchased the package, they are studying very lightly. So they are seeing the syllabus, okay, it is only this much, but the thing is, if you can extend yourself, if you can stretch yourself to more than 6 to 7 hours per day, it is good for you. See, whenever you are doing anything, you have to do it efficiently and effectively. You will not get the result. This is what you have to understand firstly. If you want to do it properly, study thoroughly, or else leave it, because you know competition is high. Just by going through some of the notes or some MCQs and all, you will not get the results. So this is the reason I am giving you the general information for all the registered students. Today we have uploaded estimation also. So you pick the topics and you study. I can give you some reference or I can give some guidance also which topics you have to choose. Like choose the topics on the bricks, on concrete and all, and study. Questions can be asked from that. Okay. Similarly, when I was doing paper analysis of AE technical, I told you one question in bridge they had asked on irrigation, that is Lassig score depth calculation. So some questions will be different in the exam also. So now it depends on you whether you will stick to this exact syllabus or you will study something extra also. So this is what I wanted to make clarity for the students. Do not feel that what we are providing for you in the package is little more or something like that. We are trying to concentrate or teach. See, in my video lectures while taking in the class, I tell you all the time, if this is the syllabus, you should study surrounding that also. ನೀವು ಇಷ್ಟು ಸಿಲೆಬಸ್ ಇದ್ರನ ಅದರೊಳಗೆ ಇಷ್ಟು ಓದ್ತೀರಿ, ಬಟ್ ದೇ ಆರ್ ಆಸ್ಕಿಂಗ್ ಇನ್ ದಿಸ್ ರೀಜನ್. So study that part also, because see, you cannot say that it is out of the syllabus or something like that. This is related to the concept which is there in the syllabus. So you are getting me? This is one clarity what I wanted to make. The second clarity with respect to general studies subject polity. So some of the students are asking whether polity is in the syllabus like constitution and all, because that is not mentioned in the syllabus. See, if you see in the general studies portion, they have mentioned the word as social science. So that is nothing but polity itself. So ನಿಮಗೆ ಏನಾರ ಕನ್ಫ್ಯೂಷನ್ ಆಗಿತ್ತಂದ್ರೆ you call me and get your doubts clarified instead of asking or having some erroneous information. So polity is there in the syllabus and it is one of the important subjects also. And when I did general studies paper analysis, you might have seen the weightage of that subject. Okay, na? So this is what I wanted to clear. And regarding estimation also, so the reason why I am telling you is, if see we can give you lot of syllabus, lot of content near to what is there. Now ball is in your court, how much you will take benefit from the lectures what we are providing. So if you are studying very slowly, the syllabus ನೀವು ಮುಗಿಸಕ್ಕಾಗಲಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ, then when will you study such extra topics? See, this time they have asked only one question on concrete. Next time they can ask 2-3 questions on that. So you cannot say that ಈ ವರ್ಷ ಒಂದ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರ್ಬೇಕು ಬಿಡ್ರಿ, ಏನ್ ಹೋದ್ರ ಹೋಗಿ ಒಂದ್ or 2 ಮಾರ್ಕ್ಸ್ ಯಾಕೆ ಇಷ್ಟು ತೆಗೆದುಕೊಂಡು. But we don't know how the question paper will be next time, so do not take any risk. So if you are studying properly, study it genuinely. Okay, so this is what I wanted to say. And another information what I wanted to give you is, from today we are starting with the bridge engineering also, and we are following what is given in this syllabus as well as in KPSC general syllabus, because I made clearly in my earlier videos also ki don't go with the exact words what is mentioned. Idaiti idilla telikashwap hogare, because we know how the questions have come in the earlier papers and how much we have to teach. So you study what we are providing, that's all. Okay, so this is one of the doubt I wanted to answer. And one more what frequently I am getting students ask me is, as I told you, we have made MCQs questions books of entire KPSC, in fact not just this PWD, entire KPSC. So they are asking, can I just get the books? See, we will get money out of it, that is not an issue, because no one provides free of cost. But the thing is, when you don't know the concept, then how can you answer the MCQs? Because see, when a question has come already on this, they will modify it in the question paper. So if you don't know the concept, then how come you will be able to answer those kind of questions? So do not try finding shortcuts. You will not get results. Remember my words, once you get the results, once you write question paper, then definitely you will remember me. That ma'am ಆ time ದಾಗ ಹಂಗೆ ಹೇಳ್ತಿದ್ರು, ನಾವು ಕೇಳಲಿಲ್ಲ. ನೀವು ಕೇಳಲಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಸಂಬಂಧ ಇನ್ನೊಮ್ಮೆ ಎಕ್ಸಾಮ್ ಕಂಡಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡೋದಿಲ್ಲ. Okay, so that will not happen. So that is the reason, whatever inputs we are giving, we are doing it for your benefit only. So it's on you now how you study seriously for this exam. Okay, so that's all for this. This is what I wanted to discuss. And also in the next video we will be making a video on how to use our portal. As I told you, we are having our own dedicated server as well as LMS portal, where the video lectures are uploaded subject wise. So tomorrow I will take a tour on our portal, like how the subjects are, which subjects are already uploaded, which are the different topics we have or chapters we have taught in the subject, and how the tests also will be there. All the demo I will be providing in the next video. So if you haven't subscribed, subscribe for this, because we are having lot of plans to give inputs on the preparation of the PWD. So take our inputs and work in the right direction. Don't get misguided by any of the erroneous information. Okay, so all the very best.